So I just got gas for $2.79 with the Kroger discount, so that's pretty awesome. I'm about to take my first trip on the Interstate, so wish me luck. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but I have an instrument and a backpack on my back. Okay, here we go. Thought I remembered something weird like that. 20 east towards Jackson, because I'm going east to get back to Atlanta. That is the plan. I have a pretty significant blind spot, so I just need to remember that when I'm getting on here. And it says it's a 20. Oof, gotta watch out for these whatchamacallits, potholes too. Alright, here's the on-ramp. Here we go. Looks like a moderate to light amount of traffic. Not too bad. So that's good. Make sure I'm clear. Alright, and away we go. Big fan of the truck, being honest. Alright, 70 miles an hour. Everything feels alright so far. Trying to keep an eye on things behind me, but I really can't with this stupid instrument. So hopefully 70 is the right speed. We'll see. No one immediately. Okay, there is a car immediately behind me. They say it's safer to be on the left side of the lane. That's what I'm doing. And it's just about watching out for rough roads, rough areas, things on the road, whatever the case may be. Alright. Should probably get some better ear protection when I get to where I'm going. Come on, man. Pass me. Pass. Don't sit here next to me. Pass me. Okay. Now is where... Yeah, I just don't want to be behind trucks for too long. It's kind of the main thing. Whoa! Yeah, this is a lot. But this is better than having my first interstate experience being in Atlanta, though, to be fair. So safer than this. Okay. Kinda need to get over. See how the people behind me are doing. Back over to the right when it's safe. That's the only thing about interstate riding is constant 70 plus miles an hour is a lot. Engine can handle it. It is a 500, not a 300. So, okay, and it slows down to 60 up here. Whoa, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna slow down a little bit because these bumps are incredibly bad, and I have to watch for potholes. But otherwise, it's just riding. It's really just the same kind of thing as surface roads, more than anything. Maintain a good speed limit, stay out of people's way. All that good stuff. Bit nerve-wracking, and I really don't want to be in the lanes when people merge, ever. So that's one thing that I don't particularly like too much. It says this lane will give me to 55 south, so I'll just stay in this lane and see what happens. Try not to stay in people's blind spots for too long because they're crazy. Whoa, and maintain my lane, and that's really about it. Oh, this turn's kind of bad, huh? Jeez. I don't like that we slowed down that much. Yeah, this truck is making things a little bit unsafe. Okay, this is 55 south, so this is what I want. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. 55 south sucks so far. I need to change lanes, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's not what I want. I'm sorry. That's not what I want, though. Okay. It's the next exit, not that exit. Oof. So I'm looking for Daniel Lake. Of course, I can't see anything around this truck, so we'll just have to figure out what's going on at some point. McDowell is not the one. It's the next one after that. It's Daniel Lake. Alright. So it's a little nerve-wracking, but it's really not too bad. So just have to pay attention. Have to give proper following distance. Have to really pay attention. Boom. Yeah, these roads are a little crappy, not gonna lie. That is one thing about the interstate, that trucks can tear up roads. Alright, looks like Daniel Lake is the next one. So, basically, since I'm in a different state, this will be my first, you know, Harley-Davidson dealership out of state that I'm going to. And, I like picking up the poker chips. So this will be the first out-of-state one I have, in spite of the fact that there are probably some in Alabama I could have gotten. I just wasn't taking the interstate routes. So here we are, Daniel Lake. Alright. It says 35 mile an hour on-ramp, or off-ramp, or whatever you call it. Oh, and there's the dealership right there. Okay. So I gotta turn. I think I can just go here. Okay. And here we are. It looks like they don't look open. Let's see. Maybe this is the back of it. It's an interesting little dealership. So I'll just park here and turn my blinker off. So that was my first interstate experience, which I will be on that all day today. Alright, so this is the Jackson, Mississippi Harley Davidson.